Passing functions with arguments to another function in Python. Is it possible to pass functions with arguments to another function in Python? Say for something like, but the functions to be passed will have arguments like.
Do you mean this?
This is what lambda is for.
You can use the partial function from functools like so. Also works with keywords.
Use functools.partial, not lambdas. An OFC perform is a useless function. You can pass around functions directly.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.